Hello there, I thought I'd do a quick little video while I've got the car up in the air and the wheel off, just to show you on a Acura CL7, CL9 how to just check your bottom ball joint. They're prone for snapping, breaking off. Just want to check for a free player in it. This one itself is worn. So what you want to do is just get yourself just underneath the wheel here, or the brake disc. There's the ball joint there. They're prone for snapping off just inside the arm. So what we want to do, just give it a little push up and down. It's probably a bit hard to tell because I'm moving the camera. But this one, it's got a bit of free play and you can hear it clunk in there. There we go. And that's a pretty telltale sign that needs replacing ASAP. If you do leave it, like I said, there is a chance that it will just let go and then it rips the drive shaft out and causes a bit more damage than necessary. So yeah, that's how you check them.